Hi people, welcome to our channel The Archivist. Today I would like to discuss about ancient India based MCQs which asked in 2010 December net to the GRF examination. So before going to those MCQs, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button for the latest updates. So without making any further delay, let's get the video. Question number 1. The eulogies or prashasti among the following inscriptions. Option 1. Aihole inscription of Puligation II. Option 2. Allahabad pillar inscription of Samudragupta. Option 3. Junagadh inscription of Rudradaman. Option 4. Hadigumba inscription of Karavela. And the chords given below are option A 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option B 1 and 2 are only correct. Option C 2 and 3 are only correct, and D 1, 3 and 4 are correct. And the correct answer is chord B 1 and 2 are only correct. That means Aihole inscription of Puligation II and Allahabad pillar inscription of Samudragupta are only correct. Question number 2. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the chords given below. List 1 includes Indus Valley town. Option A Mohenjo-daro. Option B Robar. Option C Banawali. Option D Harappa. List 2 includes Riverbank. Option 1 Gaga. Option 2 Ravi. Option 3 Satluj. Option 4 Indus. And the chords given below are option A 2, 3, 4, 1. Option B 2, 3, 1, 4. Option C 4, 2, 1, 3. Option D 4, 3, 1, 2. And the correct answer is chord D 4, 3, 1, 2. That means Mohenjo-daro, which is related to Indus, Rabar, which is related to Satluj, Banawali, which is related to Gaga, and finally Harappa, which is related to Ravi. Question number 3. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion. The Varna system existed during the Rigveda period. Reason. Mandala 10 of Rigveda mentions Chaturvarna system. Read the above statements and select the correct answer from the chords given below. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true, but R is false. Option D. A is false, but R is true. And the correct answer is chord D. A is false, but R is true. Question number 4. Arrange the following dynasties in chronological order by using the chords given below. Option 1 Shunga dynasty. Option 2 Haryanga dynasty. Option 3 Nanda dynasty. Option 4 Mauryan dynasty. And the chords given below are option A 2, 3, 4, 1. Option B 1, 2, 3, 4. Option C 3, 1, 2, 4. Option D 4, 2, 1, 3. And the correct answer is chord A 2, 3, 4, 1. That means Haryanga dynasty comes first. Second comes Nanda dynasty. Third comes Mauryan dynasty. And fourth comes Shunga dynasty. Question number 5. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the chords given below. List 1 includes symbol. Option A lotus. Option B horse. Option C wheel. Option D stupa. List 2 includes Buddha's event. Option 1 renunciation. Option 2 birth. Option 3 Mahaparinirvana. Option 4 first sermon. And the chords given below are option A 1, 2, 4, 3. Option B 2, 1, 4, 3. Option C 2, 1, 3, 4. Option D 4, 1, 2, 3. And the correct answer is chord B 2, 1, 4, 3. That means lotus, which is related to birth, horse, which is related to renunciation, wheel, which is related to first sermon, and finally stupa, which is related to Mahaparinirvana. Question number 6. The Bodhisattva doctrine is associated with option A Mahayana Buddhism, option B Hinayana Buddhism, option C Vajrayana Buddhism, option D Theravada Buddhism. And the correct answer is option A Mahayana Buddhism. Question number 7. The chief port for trade with Burma and Ceylon during the Mauryan period was option A Arikamedo, option B Tamralipti, option C Barukacha or Braj, option D Sopara. And the correct answer is option B Tamralipti. Question number 8. Ashoka carved out rock-cut caves at Barabar and Nagarjun Hills in Bihar for one of the following: option A Hinayana, option B Digambara, option C Mahayana, option D Ajivika. And the correct answer is option D Ajivika. Question number 9. Buddha image appeared with a halo or Prabha mandala around the head and adorned with the flying Gandharva figures and lotus designs in the following school of art. Option A Gandhara School of Art, option B Gupta School of Art, option C Madura School of Art, option D Amravati School of Art. And the correct answer is option A Gandhara School of Art. Question number 10. Ujjain was made the second capital of Guptas during the reign. Option A Kumaragupta, option B Chandragupta II, option C Samudragupta, option D Skandagupta. And the correct answer is option B Chandragupta II. Question number 11. Which of the following were the principal crops of agriculture during the Sangam period? Option A rice and sugarcane, option B wheat and rice, option C wheat and barley, option D rice and cotton. And the correct answer is option A rice and sugarcane. Question number 12. Which one of the following were the Buddhist seats of learning? Option A Nalanda, option B Vikramashila, option C Kanchipuram, option D Varanasi. And the chords given below are option A 1, 2 and 4 are correct, option B 1, 3 and 4 are correct, option C 1 and 4 are only correct, option D 1 and 2 are only correct. And the correct answer is chord D 1 and 2 are only correct. That means Nalanda and Vikramashila are only correct. Question number 13. Four Buddhist councils were held in the following places. Arrange them in chronological order by using the chords given below. Option A Vaishali, option B Rajagriha, option C Kundalavana, option D Padaliputra. And the chords given below are option A 1, 3, 4, 2, option B 2, 4, 3, 1, option C 3, 1, 4, 2, option D 2, 1, 4, 3. And the correct answer is chord D 2, 1, 4, 3. That means Rajagriha, Vaishali, Padaliputra, and Kundalavana. Question number 14. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion. Sadavahana society shows traces of matrilineal elements. Reason. Queens and not kings were the real rulers during Sadavahana period. Read the above statements and select the correct answer from the chords given below. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. And the correct answer is chord C. A is true but R is false.
With this notes, I'll take leave. If you found this video is helpful, then please do let me know in the comment section and also like and share with your friends. We will meet very soon with another interesting video. Till then, it's me signing off, the Archivist.